The reason you fail to get over your ex and become depressive is because you think that your ex is the meaning of your life and your existence. A commitment to life to help every man, woman and child. To be remembered for making a difference to humanity in 1,000 years. Teaching thousands to teach millions to save billions. So the viewer's question for today was, I can't get over my ex and I have become depressed. What should I do? Getting over your ex can be a very difficult and painful process. You have to allow yourself to feel your emotions. It's a natural reaction to feel a range of emotions after a breakup, including sadness, anger, and confusion. Allow yourself to feel these emotions, but also remind yourself that they are temporary and that you will eventually move on. You have to go through these emotions. Don't block them out, as they will come back later on. It's okay to feel down, but you have to be willing to pick yourself back up again. You have to fight it. People always assume when they enter a relationship that their partner is 100% of their life. This is not true. Your life is your life and their life is their life. You're just sharing a path. 50% of you and 50% of them makes 100% of the relationship. But you must use the other 50% to build your own independent life, and so must they. This keeps a healthy relationship. You see, you were living your life before you met them, and you are living your life while you are with them, and you will live your life after you have ended the relationship. This sounds impossible for you to do right now, but there will be a day when you won't even think about them. First, remove the idea from your mind that they are your life. Your soul was created and then your mother gave birth to you. So you have your own life. You just met someone who you liked and got close to. Now you think there is no other like your ex, but sooner or later you will realize there is 8 billion people on this planet. Do you really think there is no other better than your ex? For now you probably say no. But in time, when you explore and travel, you will find them. So here are 10 tips to overcome your ex. Get support from professionals. They can offer you a listening ear and provide guidance and advice on how to move forward. Get rid of ex reminders. This means any items. It's important to give yourself space and time to heal. Resist the temptation of runnings and common places. Visualize your future without them. Plan to do things in your mind, going places and doing things you wanted to do. Do not contact them. Delete their number and remove them from your social media, and do not communicate with them. It's better just to stay off social media for a while. Get support from friends. Talk to friends and express your thoughts and emotions. Keeping it locked inside will make it worse. Plan a vacation and keep busy with good things. Keep yourself busy with positive and good actions. Redecorate your room. Keep active in changing things around you. Go out with friends and meet new people. Socialize more and meet new people and do new things. Do things yourself and be more independent. Keep occupied in progressing and doing your jobs or tasks. Use this as an opportunity to try new things and explore new interests. This can help you discover new passions and give you a sense of purpose. Focus on yourself. Take the time to focus on your own well-being. Engage in self-care activities that make you feel good, such as exercises, reading, or spending time with family and friends. The reason you can't stop thinking about your ex is because your mind has no new memories. It replays old memories. If you want to get over your ex, create new memories. Creating positive and morally correct memories will remove old and painful memories. Remember that healing takes time, so be patient with yourself and trust that you will eventually move on and find happiness again.